Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave all your comments. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and use one palette to complete this look, and it's the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to also be using one shade, which is that red shade, and it's called Fire I think. So because I'll be only using that one shade, I'm going to go ahead and pack it onto the lid until it gets like really pigmented. I'm not gonna like swerve it on, I'm gonna dab it on so it gives a lot of pigment, and then I'm going to go in with my brush and dip in that same shade, a fluffier brush, and dip into that same shade, and then just go ahead and blend out the edges. I'm going to be creating my wing using the e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black, so I'm going to use that to create the wing, and then I'm gonna pop my lashes on, which is my lashes from Lash Cosmetics on Instagram. So I have the case, so I just use one from the case. So I went ahead and I did my foundation, my contouring, and also my highlighting routine off camera. So now I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face. So I'm going to be using the ITSMYRAYERAYE palette, and I'm going to be using that shade to highlight my face. So it's the highest parts of my cheeks, my cupid's bow, down the bridge of my nose, and the tip of my nose. I'm going to be using the same highlighter to highlight my tear ducts. I'm going to be using that same red shade to smoke out my waterline, and then going and finish up with my lips, which I'll be using the MAC Lipstain, and then add some Victoria's Secret gloss. Here you go guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Thank you. Bye.